Good morning from Vigan. Nandito kami sa street where we stay along Formoso Street. Doon kami galing sa dulo at andito kami sa kabilang dulo ng Formoso Street because I wanted to explore this side. But it turns out to be a dirt road. But you can see the view of the Mestizo River. Siguro dito pumasok ang mga Kastila, no? Nung panahong dinidiscover nila ang Ilocanja. There we are. I'm stepping on a very pulbos na road. Maalikabok na yung paa ko. Ang quality ng lupa pulbusin. Yun. And of course, where with TTT, kumukuha siya ng mga shots niya. TTT is our friend, short for the Transcendental Tourist. Please visit his blog, Blog. He has more than 12 years worth of blogs. So, please visit his blog. Ang approach niya sa blog is more on rumination, thoughts about his travel. So if you're looking for mga budget recommendation, that's not what his contents are all about. Yan. So, ang agenda natin today is to walk this side road papuntang highway and papuntang Bantay Belfry, the church. And it's around 10:30, so magla-lunch tayo banda doon. May shakies banda doon, pero I don't think I wanna do shakies, I want to eat in mga small in the whole type. After all, we're in vegan, diba? Let's immerse. Let's eat where the locals eat. Sabi nga ni TTT, kain tayo dyan. Sabi ko, siguro maybe other time, but I don't want to go inside and find fellow tourists. Diba? I want to go where everybody speaks Ilocano and looks like they're not lost or tired from walking around like we do, diba? I want to go where the locals eat, diba? Experience the local culture. Asan na si TTT? I cannot see where he is. So pagkatay sa Bantay Church, so that's lunchtime. And simple happiness lang naman tayo. So maybe ang gagawin natin next time, after that is, tambay-tambay sa Plaza Salcedo, get some merienda siguro sa Plaza Burgos, and then mga 3 or 4, gusto kong pumunta dun sa beachfront. Tinitignan ko sa Google Map, medyo parang malayo-layo pa. So magkano kaya ang tricycle? So I'm not sure whether whether mag-swim tayo doon sa Philippine West Sea, or kain lang tayo doon. I want to catch the sunset from there. So, yun. We're on our full second night. May isa pa kaming night. 3 nights kami dito. Or maybe we'll extend. We're thinking of going to Baguio. But Baguio is another city. Parang lang siya. Parang Manila lang, mas quaint tignan. I want the vegan vibes. Ang ganda naman itong colors na to. Ang ganda, no? Ang pink niya. I wonder what you call that. And there's a open lot here full of those pink flowers. Diba? Yan. And going back to the Mestizo River, There are guys with guns. I don't know kung anong hinuhuli nila. Ay, ano pong hinuhuli nyo, Ading?
Tilapia po.
Tilapia. Tapos pag natamaan nyo, wala lang for hunting-hunting lang. Ay, hilahin lang din. Okay. Yan. Pakita ko lang. Ang cute ng contraption ni Kuya. Yan. Anong laman yan? Pellets? Ano yung bilog-bilog?
Hindi. Yung parang pana rin na ganito.
Parang pana patingin. Okay. Yun. Thank you for sharing. Kaya mahihila mo kasi pag tama, mahaba yung ano. Alright. Tilapia lahat yan dyan? Talaga? Wow! Iganon yung... Wow, naku, dinudugo. Wow. Diba? Kawawa naman. May dugo. Congratulations. Makakailan kayo niyan?
Depende lang.
Aha. Pero buti nakikita nyo sa malayo. Ang layo nung pinagbarilan nyo, pero na bullseye nyo.
Paano nyo nagagawa?
You have to have the eye and body coordination. It's a skill. Salamat. This is not touristy. So medyo nag-i-invade tayo sa private neighborhood. So saan yung River Cruise? May nakita akong naka-advertise na River Cruise.
Wala na. Sira na yung mga bangka dito.
Dahil lang dun sa 2 taon na may COVID tayo. Pero masisimulan yun kaagad.
Oo, pag natapos dito sa kabila. Kasi gagawin kanyan eh.
Ano po?
Disneyland.
Kaya parang maganda yung kalye doon. May nakita yun eh. Okay.
Sinisemento nila.
Saan dati nagsisimula ang River Cruise? Doon sa dulo, yung mas malapit na sa dagat. Sige.
Tapos hanggang doon, sa dulo doon.
Okay. Yung alam niyo po kung magkano ang tricycle papunta sa beachfront? Diba may mga restaurant din doon eh. Kung dito manggagaling sa...
Ewan ko lang kung magkano na ngayon kasi...
Dati po.
Dati 40 lang.
40 per person o pakyaw?
Per person.
Okay. O baka ganun din siguro kung maging 50.
Hindi na eh, 80 na kasi ang per liter dito. 80 na.
Oh my God.
80 plus na.
Diesel yon o yung ano yon, yung gasolina pa lang. Oh my God.
Sa bigbaan.
Sus ko. Salamat po
Sige.
sa information. Thank you. Yun. 80 pesos per liter, may gulay. Yun. So, at least may idea tayo, no? Kung how much ang tricycle ride. Hi, Maritess!
Cute pala itong si Maritess eh.
So, are you happy to meet Maritess?
Super happy. Finally.
Finally, gano'n. We met Maritess.
Yes.
So, buti itong portion na to na, na sementohan na. Diba? Wow, malaking lote yan, ha? Lalagyan nila ng Disneyland Vigan. So, talagang gearing up for the local tourism.
Talagang heritage is not enough.
Well, people need some form of entertainment. So,
I think they need to keep kasi them here.
additional things to do, additional attraction, not bad. Hindi mo naman sinisira yung mga existing structure. You're adding more.
Adding value.
Yes. So ayan, TTT coming from that Riverside Road. And this is already the bridge. Let me show you how the Mestizo River looks from this side. I'll find a good spot. Okay, I think this is a good spot. Oh, somebody's harvesting something. Can you see? Down there may ulo na lumalabas. And there is this diorama. Diba? Mestizo River this side. That's going inland. We're now somewhere near Matadero, Publico. Look at the Vigan Longganisa. I wonder if they're selling it already or if that's part of the process na sinasampay mo para maarawan. Oh my God! Look at those bagnet. Okay. Magkakano po yung ganire? Itong ganyang plastic.
120 po, sir.
Ah, okay. Ito po.
Tapos 430 po, sir. Ay, ito po, 460 to 30 po yung kalahati.
Ah, okay. 430.
230 po.
230.
Kalahati po. 460.
460. Tapos ready to eat na yan o lulutuin pa yan? Ito pong ganire.
100 po. Isang dasin.
Wanda. Okay, sige. Mamaya. Hindi pa naman kami uuwi. Thank you po.
Enjoy, sir.
We're approaching Calle Quirino. Nasa Ususuyo na tayo. Dahil sa natakam ako dun sa first store, pagdating sa second store, meron na namang chicharon. So, hindi na natin papalagpasin.
Doon pa binayayaan kabila yung pinapalat.
Correct. 60 pesos. TTT pwedeng paabono. Okay. So, nasa likod tayo ng Juliana Hotel. Calle Quirino. Where's TTT? Wow, look at this house. Diba? It's huge. The tourism industry has not penetrated its owners yet. So, Calle Quirino, corner, Calle Encarnacion, and yung katapat niyang mansyon. We are approaching Calle Mabini. Hi po! Yeah. So look at the old houses. May ruins pa. Diba? Look at the ruins at Calle Mabini. Corner Calle Quirino. Diba? Ang quaint. Some more older houses over there. So you're seeing Calle Quirino, corner Calle Salcedo. And you find Syquia Mansion. So we're now at General Luna, corner Quirino-Pandan. Quirino-Pandan Bridge. Yan, malapit na tayo. Palabas na talaga tayo ng Vigan going to Bantay. Look at this nice place. Nasa outskirt na siya. And there's Nanang, Sion since 1980. Welcome to Bantay! Woo! Finally, we're here. The ultimate goal for midday. Where are we, TTT? St. Augustine Parish. In short, Bantay Church. Yes! There. So there's a entrance donation. So dyan tayo pupunta. So if you have access to old FPJ films, meron silang mga scenes na shoot ang panday dyan. Alam mo nung bata ako, nung college, hindi pa manicured, hindi pa siya mukhang park. It looks exactly like it was shot in the film. Dirt lang siya. Tapos syempre if you come here summer, brown ng lupa. So very ano siya, raw na raw. So yan, wala pa yung steps na ganyan before. Pero ngayon maganda na. Which is good for Instagram. Good for the tourists kasi mas safe siyang lakaran. I don't know if we can go up the tower because when I was younger, nakaakyat tayo doon. Pero kasi natatakot ako. Umakyat na ngayon. We're older. The ankles are easy to get hurt, and the knees are kind of weak. But as you can see, it's open. So climb up the tower and see the gorge from up there. Okay, yan ang nilakad natin from the church. So TTT is down there. Local tourists in color blue approaching. Ikot ko kayo around the tower and show you what is there to see. So ayan. Look at how beautiful Ilocos Sur region is. It's a nice day today. As you can see, the sky is so blue. Yan. There's some neighborhood in the background. Yan. Mataas itong balor na to. Naharangan ng view. Well, the best views are up sa tower if you have the courage to climb the tower. So where's TTT? Okay. So now we're entering the tower. Babala, watch your step. There. I don't know kung ganito yung steps before. I have no memory. They look sturdy and safe. May dungeon effect lang. There. I can hear voices. Maybe there are people upstairs. Yun. The upper floor is made of wood. I don't think I'm going to venture up there. Yeah. I will stay here. Wow, look at that. And the view this side. Diba? Can you see the gorge? May rehas na. When I was younger, wala yung rehas na yan. Diba? And dito sa likod. Okay. Wow, look at that. Wow. But me, I'm just staying here. I'm not gonna go up there. I'm nangingilo. So dito lang tayo. Ah, look at that.
Mix love din yung
So we're going to end our vlog, this segment. We're outside Bantay Church sa likod. Thank you for joining us.
Chapel by the ruins here.
Thank you for joining us. Give us some like. Please share and subscribe. And down on the description box, there's also a link if you decide to share some love to me and to my vlog content. Bye-bye.
Bye.